So you want to set up an Exodus wallet. I don't blame you. It's got some key benefits that separates it from a lot of other wallets. It has a desktop application which pairs with its mobile application, so that pairs up real nice. It has staking for certain cryptos that it supports. And I've used Exodus wallet before, not extensively, but I have used it. I remember the user interface being really friendly, very appealing, honestly. I will show you exactly what steps you need to take from the beginning in order to set it up on the desktop and then have it on your phone. And then you can start putting your crypto assets into it. And then hopefully if you choose to put in one of the ones that are supported, you can start earning some extra income with its built-in staking features. So I literally just searched download Exodus wallet and it should be the first one here. So download that. This is their website. First thing I'm going to do is download the desktop application, and then I'll download the mobile application on my phone. And I'll show you that as well. Okay, so this is interesting. I actually do have the M1 Max, so I guess I'll just download it to that. Download the M1, download Exodus for M1. That'll be nice. Mind M first and blowing speed. All right, put that in the applications. Should be it. Exodus. All right, open that. Close this. Okay, so there you go. It's already set up. It looks like an exchange, which actually is another benefit of the Exodus wallet. A couple other wallets support it, but you can purchase straight from the wallet. So you never have to give a centralized entity your information. What if you have the coins in? At least it's not an on-ramp from your bank account. It allows you to exchange with the coins that you already have. What else is in here? Exodus shares. Oh, Exodus is going public. That's interesting. We'll probably avoid that one. Don't know how much money they're making, but here's your wallet. Okay, so this is cool. You can see which ones offer staking, right? Ethereum probably later, once the merger happens. Of course, Bitcoin you can't stake. And it looks like here you earn a 4.91%. That's pretty average, I think, with what's being offered elsewhere. Here's VeChain, 1%. DAI, looks like nothing. Cosmos, 10%. That's pretty nice. Tezos, 5.6. That might be better than Coinbase, so that's pretty good. In my last video, I showed a video on Solana staking. I believe they also, yeah. Oh, those rates sound better than what I was getting on the other one. I'll add that in there, whatever. That's cool. So that is your portfolio. All right, so first of all, we want to make sure that the app is secure, or at least the wallet is secure. So we're going to put in a password. We're going to make sure we get our backup phrase, all that sort of stuff, so that whatever assets that we do put in here, we don't lose any of that information. So make sure you do this before you deposit any funds. We come here to settings. There's a backup tab. First thing I'm going to do is create a password. Okay. Next, confirm. Okay, so that's giving me 12 words. Okay, so once you have your password set, your security phrase set up somewhere and locked away, hidden so that you don't lose it. You don't want to lose it. You need it also to set it up on your phone, the mobile app, to get the backup on there. So make sure you have that somewhere safe. Then you come over to assets. Now you should feel safe to start depositing funds into your wallet. I went ahead and deposited some Solana here. In order to do that, you just whatever asset that you want, you click receive, you get the QR code, whatever app that you're using, you either copy it to this address or this QR code. If anybody wants to support this channel, here you go. Here's your chance. Help me out. Anyway, so it took a couple minutes to get here, but it's here now. And so the funds are in there, and now let's start earning some rewards on it. Yeah, all of it. Why not? In 1 year, I'll earn 0.03. I mean, it's not that much, so I don't expect more. But, you know, I'm just putting it here, just for the sake of you guys, for the video, for the algorithm. All right, it's doing this. Finding a delegation pool, I imagine. This is taking a while. Literally right when I cut off the recording, it finished. But yeah, so it's staked now. So that's good. That's pretty much it here. Staking is active. Cool. Very cool. That's about it for the application. And I'm going to show you how to download it onto at least your iOS device. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is the Exodus app. So I'll go ahead and open that. And when you first download the app, you'll see that it asks you to either get started, or if you already have a wallet like we set up on the on the desktop, you'll click that. I already have a wallet. And now it'll give you two options. You can either scan the QR code from the desktop, or you can enter in the secret phrase. If you have the secret phrase, you can do that. I will do the QR code and not show you that because I don't want you to steal my stuff. All right, so I scanned the QR code. It says syncing is successful. I will continue and restart the app. All right, there it is. It starts up. Let's see. It's syncing. Thinking and syncing. It's stinking. Exodus shares. It's up 40%. Wow. Man, these prices are terrible. Who's buying the dip? Huh? Who's buying the dip? Comment below if you're buying the dip. If you're putting dip on your chip. Okay, anyway, it's mostly restored. As you can see, I have my Solana balance there. That's all I had on my computer, so it's pretty much synced up. And now, from here, the benefit of having it on my phone is that, let's say, oops, didn't mean to do that. Well, yeah, a benefit is if I'm on the road, I don't have my computer, I can just log into here, switch out some cryptos, so that'll be nice. I don't want to do that right now, though. All right, okay, this is what I wanted to show. Assets are synced. Okay, hopefully the app moves better now. Let's say I'm out and I want to send some money to a friend instead of using a centralized financial app like one of these. I can use this, and I can just press, send, yeah, whatever. But let's say I would have some, they would show me his address, they would show me their address. I can send them Solana, square up for the night. And that's the benefit of having a mobile wallet. Okay, very cool. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, if you were interested in Exodus wallet, this was a very beneficial video for you and you were able to set it up with no issues. If you do, comment below. I'm still a pretty small channel, so I respond to almost all of my comments. Let me know what you think, and let me know if there's any other wallets you'd like some more information on. Appreciate you watching my video. See you next time. Thanks.